Hi, my name is Marco, and welcome to the Model Gene. In today's video, I'll be answering the question, what is a showroom? One of the lesser known jobs that go on around Fashion Week are showrooms. Showrooms are similar to presentations in that they are ways to display a new collection where the viewer can experience the pieces up close, but rather than being a singular event, showrooms extend over several days and for larger blocks of time. For most bigger brands, they have showrooms for about a week after their show so that the stylists and fashion buyers can have a second look at the collection. It is also common that a designer in London will have a showroom in Milan and/or Paris so that they can reach a larger audience during the chaos of Fashion Week. Often called recies, showrooms are integral to the success of a new collection. For the stylists that are coming into the showrooms, they have a better idea of which pieces they would like to be shooting for their upcoming editorial work, which is free advertising for the brand. For fashion buyers, the representatives from department stores, they decide which pieces of the collection they would like to sell in their stores and at which volume. After the showroom period is over, the brands assess which pieces to put into production and at what volume based on the purchase orders from the fashion buyers, which also means that several pieces will never be produced beyond the sample that went down the runway. For models, showrooms can be a great gig to book. Due to their length, a model will be getting paid for several days of work in a row, which really starts to add up quickly. For most showrooms, models relax in a backstage area as they wait for clients to trickle in, and are then asked to put on certain pieces that a stylist or buyer wants to see on the body rather than on the rack. Many of the models continue booking the same showroom for several years, as was the case for Yus. His first show was for J.W. Anderson, and they kept booking him for their showroom year after year. Be prepared to have a lot of downtime if you book a showroom, so bring a book, your laptop, something to keep you entertained as you wait to be called to try on something for a client. If you have any questions about showrooms, please let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.